Hello guys, welcome to Hindu Response and thanks for joining me today. Today's video is about a Muslim's vlog in which he claimed that the Prophet Muhammad was mentioned in Hindu scripture, Bhavishya Puran.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
And in conclusion of his vlog, he gave a statement which is, Islam is the future of India. Let the common Hindus not fall into the trap of Hindutva propaganda against Islam and Prophet Muhammad. And without any further delay, accept the pure religion of Islam and fulfill this dream of Bhavishya Puran.
नहीं.
So, let us see if it's true or not. By the way, I made a video on was Jesus mentioned in Bhavishya Puran, and in the end, I proved Christians should take Hindu Dharam and worship Sri Krishna. You can find that video link in my description. Before going into the topic, let me tell you a few things. The mullah who wrote that blog or such similar blogs claim that any translation that is presented by Hindu authors as fake. Ironically, he claims his translation is the original one without mentioning the translator name of Bhavishya Puran he used. Due to these reasons, I will be giving you my own translation of Bhavishya Puran with word-to-word meaning. Now, in total, there are 4 characters that we should know beforehand to get a clear understanding of Bhavishya Puran. Bhojraj, 10th king from Shalivahana dynasty who defeated various kingdoms which attacked India and wanted to expand his kingdom beyond modern-day Pakistan, and a devotee of Lord Shiva. Kalidasa, army commander and important advisor of King Bhoj. Muhammad, prophet of Islam. Tripasura. Tripasura are a trio of demons. Although they were good guys, soon turned to evil and created a new faith and started to convert people into that faith, but later got destroyed by Lord Shiva. However, the followers of that faith escaped into a desert and stated that they will return back in Kali Yuga, present age, to take revenge as per Tamil legend. As we are clear with characters, let us see Bhavishya Puran Pratisarga Pav Part 3, Slok 5 to 27. In the meantime, the preceptor associated with Blecha Dharma, who is famously known as Muhammad, is associated with lots of followers. The king praised Mahadev, who lives in wilderness, and started to pour Ganga water associated with Panchagavya, along with sandalwood paste, and worshipped in his heart pleasingly. Bhojaraja said, I bow to you, Girijapati, who is residing in this desert. O protector from Blechas, being so pure and represent the pure form of Sachidanandan, I am your servant, hence I am under your feet. You guys can pause the video to read this image. It's clear that this blog is misrepresenting Lord Shiva as Muhammad while translating the word Girijanath, which means husband of Parvati, into pride of humanity. And not only that, his own translation is against the points he made. Sooth said, by hearing the reciting prayer, Shiv said, Bhojraj, please go to land of Mahakaleshwar. This place will be spreaded by evil deeds of Mlechas. There is no one to carry noble truth, thus turning this country to pitiless. There was a great illusionist who was burnt by me in the past. His name is Tripura, who has returned cause of demon king Bali. He is originless, but he had received benediction from me. His name is Muhammad, and his deeds are like a ghost, a pisacha, meat eater. Therefore, king, don't stay in this place of pisacha. By my grace, you will be pure. By hearing this, king began his journey for his own country. Accordingly, Muhammad with his students reached the coast of Sindhu river. Now, look at this mullah's translation. He is calling Shiva as an angel and giving a wrong translation of Mahakaleshwar. Not only that, he says Ioni is a title given to Brahma and Brahma is Abraham in Quran, which is another lie. Ioni means who is not born from womb. Example, Sita Devi, Dronacharya, Brahma are not born from womb. And the sloka says the demon Tripasur is an Ioni but not Muhammad. Being very gentle, the arrogant illusionist said to the king, Maharaj, your deity is my slave. See, your deity is eating remains of mine. By seeing this, king got deluded in the matter and got very much surprised. He then started in thinking of converting himself into that horrific militia dharma. Kalidasa got the knowledge of Muhammada's illusion and being red in anger said to Muhammada, Wicked, you are deluding king in illusion which is not true. You are the carrier of evil. Saying this, the Brahmin started reciting Navakshari mantra. He recited it 10,000 times, and every tenth part of his recitation, the enormous energy came out through his body, obliterating each and every part of the body of evil-carrying men, thus turning the god of Nichas into ashes. Seeing this, the students carried back their own teacher's ashes to their country and buried it there, calling that place as Medina, and it will become a holy site for them. At night, the illusionist god of Pisacha came towards King Bhoj and said, Rajan, your Arya Dharma is greatest above every other Dharma. By the order of my lord, I will preach Paisachic cruel Dharma. Being in Dharma, one have to cut his genitile. He will have no shika. He will talk bigger, shout loudly, and will eat all kinds of things. Without call tantra, they will eat animals, and they will perform purified act with musala or pistol, as you purify your things with kusa. Therefore, they will be called as Musalman. The people who belong to this dharma will pollute every pure dharma. Likewise, I will spread this Paisachic dharma in future. Look at this liar. In his blog, he wantedly omitted the verses which says Kalidasa burned down Muhammad and Islamic God and Muslims running away from India.
नहीं मुझे मजाक नहीं उड़वाना अपनी चीज का मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
On top of that, his own translation is saying that Indian religion is the best religion. It means it's Muslims who should get convert, not Hindus. I request you guys not to fall for such idiotic fake blogs, and if you like my content, please press the subscribe button. Viewers, Hindu Response.